It is used for the maintenance of large photovoltaic power station system, reducing the manual handling process, and can clean photovoltaic panels in time. It is time-consuming and laborious to carry the cleaning robot manually. If the photovoltaic power station is built on a flat ground and roof, it is recommended that you equip a transfer vehicle that can work automatically when purchasing the cleaning robot. Press the start switch. The transfer vehicle moves forward. The sensor on the transfer vehicle senses the photovoltaic array and aligns with the array. The transfer vehicle stops moving forward at this time. The front and rear rods are adjusted and lifted to the level of the photovoltaic array, and the G1 solar cleaning robot senses and starts the equipment to start cleaning. After cleaning, the G1 solar cleaning robot moves to the transfer vehicle, and the transfer vehicle moves to the next array to continue cleaning.